Hey everyone, and welcome back to Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of garlic. It's not just a tasty ingredient. Garlic has a rich history as a powerful healer. My name is Sally, and I'm passionate about sharing the power of natural remedies. Nature provides us with incredible tools for health and well-being. I'm excited to explore those with you. We'll uncover the historical uses of garlic, explore its benefits, and even learn how to grow our own. Get ready to unlock the power of this amazing bulb. Let's get started. Garlic has been used medicinally for over 7,000 years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks recognized its power. They used it for a variety of ailments. The Egyptians, for example, gave garlic to workers building the pyramids. They believed it increased strength and stamina. Ancient Greek athletes used garlic as a performance enhancer. During the Black Death in Europe, people wore garlic to ward off the plague. While its effectiveness against the plague is debatable, it highlights garlic's historical importance. It was seen as a powerful protector against disease. Garlic's medicinal use continued through the centuries. Even today, it's a staple in many traditional remedies. Garlic plays a starring role in many holistic health practices. Ayurveda, a traditional Indian medicine system, values garlic for its warming and digestive properties. It's used to balance the body's energies and promote overall well-being. Traditional Chinese medicine also uses garlic. It's believed to strengthen the immune system and improve circulation. Garlic is often included in remedies for colds, flu, and respiratory issues. Modern herbalists continue to embrace garlic's healing potential. They recommend it for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Garlic is a true powerhouse from nature's medicine cabinet. Garlic's story begins in Central Asia, where it was first cultivated. From there, it spread throughout the world, becoming a staple ingredient in countless cuisines. Today, garlic is enjoyed globally, but some regions particularly embrace its pungent flavor. China is the world's largest producer and consumer of garlic. It features prominently in their cuisine, adding depth and aroma to countless dishes. India, Korea, and the Mediterranean region are also big garlic fans. Each culture has its own unique ways of preparing and enjoying this versatile bulb. Cultivating your own garlic, a step-by-step guide. Growing your own garlic is surprisingly easy. It's a rewarding experience to nurture this ancient bulb from clove to harvest. Here's a simple guide to get you started. First, choose your garlic. Select a variety suited for your climate. Soft-neck garlic thrives in warmer areas, while hard-neck garlic prefers cooler climates. Next, prepare your bed. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Amend the soil with compost for optimal growth. Then, plant the cloves. Separate the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Plant each clove pointed end up, about 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. After that, water and mulch. Water the cloves thoroughly after planting. Apply a layer of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Finally, harvest time. Garlic is typically ready for harvest in mid to late summer. The leaves will begin to brown and die back. Gently loosen the soil around the bulbs and lift them carefully. The mighty bulb unveiling garlic's health benefits. Garlic's pungent flavor is a clear indication of its potency. This culinary staple is packed with beneficial compounds that offer a range of health benefits. Here are just a few. 1. Immune system booster garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. It contains compounds like allicin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight off infections. 2. Heart Health Hero Garlic may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Its anti-inflammatory properties also benefit cardiovascular health. 3. Cancer Fighter. Some studies suggest that garlic may help protect against certain types of cancer. Its sulfur compounds have been shown to inhibit tumor growth. 4. Digestive aid. Garlic stimulates digestion and can help relieve bloating and gas. Its antimicrobial properties may also help balance gut bacteria. 5. Skin Savior. Garlic's antibacterial and antifungal properties can be beneficial for skin health. It may help treat acne, wounds, and fungal infections. A taste of garlic. Simple and delicious. Roasted garlic recipe. Roasted garlic is a revelation. Roasting mellows garlic's sharp bite, transforming it into a sweet and spreadable delight. Here's a simple recipe to try. 1 head of garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Slice off the top quarter of the garlic head, exposing the cloves. 3. Drizzle the exposed cloves with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. 4. Wrap the garlic head in aluminum foil and place it in a baking dish. 5. Roast for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the cloves are soft and golden brown. Enjoy the roasted garlic spread on crusty bread, tossed with pasta, or as a flavorful addition to dips and sauces. A word of caution and encouragement. While garlic is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to remember that everyone's body is different. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding garlic to your diet, especially in large amounts. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's simply a starting point to explore the potential benefits of garlic. I encourage you to do your own research and make informed decisions about your health. Always listen to your body and seek professional guidance when needed. Join us on this journey to wellness. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of garlic. I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this culinary hero and its incredible healing potential. Remember, nature provides us with an abundance of remedies to support our health and well-being. By embracing these natural gifts and making informed choices, we can empower ourselves on our journey to optimal health. Don't forget to subscribe to Herbal Health and Vitality for more natural health tips, recipes, and insights. I'm excited to continue this journey with you.